time a shift focus as far as when it comes to the Bandh call, the protest that continues on part of the opposition BJD over the unfortunate death of the college student is now concerned. This is now coming across as far as the BJD, which is now called for a Bandh, as the BJD has called for a Bandh for the Balasore district, where this Bandh is now being observed from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and that would be observed in entire Balasore district to demand justice for the victim as far as when it comes to the self-immolation. The extreme step that she had unfortunately taken. There were several attempts to revive her, but she succumbed to injuries. Unfortunately, the arrests that have also been made, the Chief Minister has also called for the strictest possible action. But it is now been said that the BJD is now demanding justice for the deceased student, and it has now been learned that they will be carrying out protest as well. This is a Bandh call that has now been given by the BJD, where they are putting pressure on the government there to act swiftly. As far as when it comes to the opposition is concerned, it is not just the BJD.